Question 1 could have been an old GCSE question as it starts. It's first of all asking us for the modal value, the most popular one. So as we look down here, trying to find the most popular one, we can see the most popular one here is here because there's 20 of them. So the most popular one is 253, and that's your mode. Now we're asked to find out the median and the interquartile range. Well, the median is, of course, there's 85 of them here. And in the middle of 85, half of 85 is 42.5, so it's the 43rd one is the one we're looking for. That leaves us with 42 of them here, and 42 of them here, and the 43rd one in the middle. Of course, we're also trying to find out the quartiles, and so half of this one here as well gives us the 22nd one. That's what we're looking for here. And at this end here, we're looking for the 64th one. Spend some time working out that and just checking that you're happy here, that we've got 21 of them, then the lower quartile, 21 of them, then the median, 21 of them, and then the upper quartile, 21 of them, total of 85. Now let's count up and try and see where we get. We're trying to get to the 22nd one. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, or 17, another 10 there. So our lower quartile is going to be 250. What we were up to, 17. 27 of them up to there. Then another 13. That takes us up to 40. Not there yet. So our median must be in these ones here. Our median is going to be 252. So that's 40, 56, 66, 76, and we passed it there as well, aren't we? So 253 is our upper quartile. Let's write down our answers though. Our median is 252, and our interquartile range, that's what we've been asked to do, is the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. Our interquartile range is 3. Now for part B, we've then got to actually use a bit more information. We've been told that the lowest value here was actually 227, and the highest value was actually 271. And so the range is simply the highest one take away the lowest one, and the highest one take away the lowest one gives us 44. You have to write the 44 there for the 1 mark. And now, for 4 marks, we're going to need to find out the mean and the standard deviation. Well, to do that, I'm going to bring up my calculator, and I've actually already put in all the data in here. I've had to be careful here that this group here, the 239 to 243, I've made sure that I put that as the midpoint of 241. I've used midpoints later down as well. The midpoint of the lower group down here, the 255 to 259, I put as 257. Having put all that data in, I can now just get my answers from my variables. That then my mean value is 251.2, and my standard deviation, number 3 here, my standard deviation is 4.217. And they're the 2 values which I'm needing to write down here. At the end, I'm then asked to try and decide about the best measure of spread. Well, we've had 3 measures of spread. We've got the interquartile range here, we've got the range here, and we had our standard deviation, which we had earlier as 4.217. Well, I would have said the best measure of spread was the IQR, and the reason being is that it's not affected by the extreme values. You could argue that the best measure of spread was the standard deviation because it uses everything, and that would be equally valid as well. But it's one of those 2 for the best measure of spread.